The world is facing unprecedented times, and we are all equal in the face of the COVID-19, which WHO announced as a pandemic on 11th of March 2020. I met with Dr. Agjimal Maktimova, WHO representative in the Sultanate, and I asked her, how does she see the overall escalation of COVID-19 in Oman and the country's response?
The virus is marching across the globe, and over the past weeks you have seen the escalation of cases of COVID-19, and I am pleased to say that Oman has taken comprehensive measures like many other countries, including physical distancing, closure of school, and other measures. I see the capacity of the Ministry of Health and other stakeholders, including other sectors, are there for surveillance, to detect, to trace contacts, and to isolate, and also to treat. There is also a responsibility of each and every one of us actually to adhere to those measures. Only together we will be able to stop the spread of this disease.
What are the best strategies to stop this deadly virus?
Among the strategies and measures which have been already taken by the Supreme Council and the Ministry of Health, we see physical distancing and closure of schools, for example. And I see that and WHO recommends those strategies as in order to actually flatten what we call epidemiological curve and let time for health systems to prepare, as well as for the international global community to look into research, to look into development of vaccines, and to look into treatment methodologies.
Finally, what message would you like to send to the people?
Each of us, each of you, responsible and can contribute to the fight against the virus, whether it is about individual or general hygiene, whether it's about measures which are already taken, adhering to those measures like physical distancing, whether it's isolation or home quarantine. Each of us, it's time for solidarity, and each of us can contribute to fight against this virus. And I would like to see I believe that in the face of this adversity, humanity should prevail, solidarity should prevail, and beautiful people of Oman should be also able to demonstrate those qualities in these times of difficulty and adversity to fight the virus.
Respiratory virus like coronavirus disease COVID-19 spread when mucus or droplets containing the virus get into your body through your eyes, nose or throat. Most often this happens through your hands. Hands are also one of the most common ways that the virus spreads from one person to the next. One of the cheapest, easiest and most important ways to prevent the spread of virus is to wash your hands frequently with soap and water, together with other precautionary measures. Worldwide, the infections from the coronavirus are soaring up as healthcare system is trying to keep up with. The government of His Majesty Sultan Haytham bin Tariq has geared up all its efforts to combat the pandemic. In this context, citizens and residents' support to follow all the instructions issued by the Supreme Committee is very, very important. Stay safe and healthy, follow the precautionary measures. In front of the Minister of Health, I'm Abdallah bin Ahmed Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television.